In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grow a Garden on VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and play Grow a Garden on virtual reality. So to do this, you will need to find some way to run Roblox in virtual reality. Even though I'm going to briefly mention it in this video, I cannot go into full detail about how to set it up. A lot of people will choose to play using a MetaQuest headset, so all that you have to do in this case is look for Roblox on your library or the list of apps. And once you open Roblox by using your MetaQuest headset, you will be able to play it in virtual reality. Of course, other VR headsets exist, and you should be able to set up Roblox however you prefer. Once you open Roblox through your VR headset, or if it is connected to your PC and you run the game, one of the options inside of the settings is going to be virtual reality. So all that you have to do is join the experience, and once you are inside, you can pause the game at any point, go over to settings, and you should have the virtual reality toggle here. Now, the only difficult part, like I said before, might be setting up the virtual reality headset initially. There are various different VR headsets out there, and as long as you are able to run Roblox, either by downloading it natively like the MetaQuest headset, or by connecting the VR headset to your PC and then running Roblox, you will be able to enable VR on these settings. After it has been enabled, you can play any experience in virtual reality. So all that you have to do is go into the settings and enable it from here. Sadly, I cannot show you VR gameplay because I don't have a headset available at the moment, but I believe that as long as you set up the VR headset properly, you will be able to go into virtual reality mode when playing Grow a Garden. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grow a Garden on VR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.